Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very simple hairdo for you. So if you want to see how I do this two braided hairstyle, please stay tuned. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know. Okay guys, so differently from the comb, the scissors, and the hot water, all you need is the hair and the gels. So the hair that I'm using is the Canon hair, and I'm only using half of a pack of that. And the gel that I'm using is the Eco Styler gel, and it got to be glued. So after parting your hair, you're going to use this very simple technique, and this is for a person that is actually braiding their hair themselves. And instead of feeding the braid into your hair while you Cornrow, what you can do is part out a section of the half that you parted, and then you're going to Cornrow that small section and crochet in the hair. So guys, just keep watching and see how I do this, and maybe you can try it, and let me know when you try it and tell me if this is much easier to Cornrow your hair rather than feeding it in. And don't you forget to like, share, and subscribe, hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video you will be the first to know.